Hi, I'm Nail, CEO and founder at youzu.ai. It's an AI-powered interior design and smart shopping platform. We empower and help users not just design and redesign their space, but also provide end-to-end experience from inspiration to purchase. Majority of the platforms that you can see today, like from Instagram to Pinterest and AI generators of interior design space, they help you to kind of get the inspiration part, but it never answers where actually I can buy those stuff. And we help you in 3 simple steps in order to do that. So we help you capture your vision. You tell us like what kind of room styles you prefer. We then generate design in seconds, like with all the objects identified in the room, and then we match it to major e-commerce platforms within your country or region that looked very similar to like what you've designed basically. And starting is pretty simple. So you can either go like to sign up straight away, or you click on start designing button and now button. It will go like to design studio kind of stuff. So I would like to start with type of room, so just for the purpose of the demo. So let's select a bedroom, and then you can select one style, or you can select many styles. In fact, you can select all the styles. But now I would like to go with, let's say, Art Deco and kind of coastal style for the bedroom. And once you click Generate Design, it will go to kind of sign up process. If you have Gmail, you can just go sign in with your account and then basically sign up with your Gmail account. That will take seconds. And as you can see, within seconds, it will actually generate the design of the bedroom in basically we selected Art Deco and coastal style. And you can see it basically that this beautiful room was actually generated. And then what you can see, it's like lots of dots. So these are the items that our AI identified. And if I like some of this, I click on it. And what it does is actually it will match me with the furnitures that are available, like that looks similar to this one. And as you can see, I get a lot of similar items for this kind of stand. So if I click on one of them, it's basically it leads me to Kleinanzeigen, and basically I can purchase it directly from the right, and then use, and then you can see a lot of other items that look very, and then you can find a lot of other similar items, and you can see price tag here, the description, e-commerces, right? And then I want to check out like some other stuff. So perhaps I like this one. Let's go for piolo.de, and then I can find also like quite similar item that you can buy from this e-commerce provider. And you can search for something else. Let's go like, let's say that I want to search this lamp. It will again find similar items, as you can see, from Amazon to Loberon, and then like some other e-commerce platforms. And the ones that I liked, I can actually save it. It will go into my saved account, and then basically like I can look into that later on. This one is actually looks pretty beautiful as well. I can actually search for this tool. So like you have an idea also, like as you can see, like it's looks pretty similar. Like now I get some similar items from Home24. But what else can you do? Like, for example, if you would like to change it, like, but you don't want to go back to your like settings, but you like your settings, like it's just you want to regenerate this image. So you can do so by clicking regenerate. In a few seconds, basically it will generate new image. As you can see, it's like different room now, but all these items are detected also in seconds. And then let's say that I would like to search for this kind of armchair, and then it will again like search through chairs. Sometimes like you can see like you see that the shape are very similar, but sometimes like the colors might be different. And if you go like to the e-commerce itself, you can see actually you quite often you can see like exactly this color as well. But you can see, as you can see, form and shape are quite similar to the one that we've actually searched. Let's show you what we can do more. So let's go to my profile. As you can see, I've actually created a bunch of designs. You can filter out by kind of type of room, like for example, living room, and then I quite like Japanese style. You can see like type of rooms that I've created, like within the living room, or let's say kitchen, or combination of living room and kitchen. You can see like it's like and filter out the ones that you like. Another thing is that like why we have here like basically favorites is that you can see in the basket what you liked, and if I go to this room, you see that I've saved actually this sofa. And so if you go to your saved to your favorites, you see like actually in the basket the items that I saved in the past. You can go to that particular room and see what you've saved, and then perhaps buy some of it like later on. Let me show you how you can actually generate new design with your own room. Like you take a picture or upload the picture of your own room or your own space, and basically regenerate in the style that you would like to. So in order to do that, like you need to go to new design and select like basically the room. In our case, that will be kitchen. Make sure you actually match with the room type. That is quite important. And we are gonna actually select modern and Japanese styles and press generate design. In a few seconds, it will basically generate a new design of the kitchen in modern and Japanese style. Yeah, as you can see, it basically generated a new design with the Japanese and modern styles. You can see a lot of items has been detected. So I can enlarge in it. You can see how it is actually, how realistic it looks like, the new kitchen. So you can see even like some of the home appliances and stuff like that. Design has been actually generated. So I actually searched also for this lamp. As you can see, like it's quite similar to the one that you can see in the picture. I can enlarge in this so that like you can see it like more clearly. Honestly, like it looks very, very realistic, and it's really hard to say that it was actually generated with AI or not. And we've been looking for a lot of like furniture, accessories. We never looked for basically a kind of house plant. Let's search for it as well. You can see that so it will also generate and match similar items to this house plant across e-commerce platforms. And then you can see a lot of e-commerces that actually provide similar items, similar house plants. And the good thing also about Yuzu is that it's not just showing like e-commerce giants that provide kind of basically different home accessories, home decor, furniture, etc. It shows a lot of small and medium e-commerce platforms, and I believe that we could help them out to get more traffic. And like and just play around with Yuzu. Like it's really fun actually. You find a lot of really cool items that you won't find anywhere else, and save some of this maybe for later that you would like to buy. The good thing is that we have already some users who actually purchase through Yuzu experience, and I believe that could help you out. Some of other things you can also do, like once you land and you generate the image, is that it's not just enlarging and like getting like more detailed view of it, but you can share it with your like friends and family. You can either do it like by pressing share button and share over WhatsApp, Twitter, or Facebook, or you can like URL and then share your design with your loved ones. And another thing is that like if you don't like it in some sort of like this row column, you can actually look into the furniture like in the list view, and obviously like about the saved button, the items that you saved, and then can check out later on. So let's say that I would like to share this design on Twitter. I press on Twitter, it will give like a brief description. You can write something else as well and then post it. And then it will be basically within your Twitter post. Yeah, and I think that's a wrap. I showed you, I think, majority of the features that are like that Yuzu is capable currently. I'm looking forward to your feedback, and I would like to understand like what kind of new features would be cool to have for Yuzu, wherever you need to improve. Obviously, like we are like very early stage startup, and it's like we still need to like basically work on a lot of things, like with the ML models in terms of like generation ML models, then like user experience much better, etc. That is something on the way, but it would be really great to have some sort of feedback from you as well, in order to understand like where we need to focus and prioritize first. Yeah, thanks a lot for listening to the product demo, and looking forward to your